Hey guys, this is Sudeep Shah from Yellow Tape. Welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is Mughlai chicken from the Mughal India. Let's start with the cooking. So I have preheated my pan. I'm adding 4 tablespoons of refined oil. Once the oil is hot, I have made 3 chopped onions, medium size. You need to fry the onions till it is golden brown in color. So it means almost 4 to 5 minutes I'm frying the onions. You can see a little brownish onion right now. Now it is the right time to add ginger garlic paste. So I have taken 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. You can add there and fry for another 2 minutes. So ginger garlic paste has been fried too. Time to add some chopped tomatoes. I have taken 3 medium sized tomatoes. You can add that. Time to fry for almost 5 minutes. So it's been 5 minutes now. I'm frying both the onions and tomato with garlic paste. It's time to cool down and puree it. So now coming to the second step of the process, we need to fry the chicken. For that we need 2 tablespoons of ghee. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Time to add whole garam masala, cinnamon stick, some bay leaves, some mace or javitri, 1 black cardamom, few cloves, peppercorn and 2 green chilies. The idea is to flavor the chicken. That's why we are added ghee with some whole garam masala, and then we'll be adding 750 grams of chicken. We'll fry the chicken for almost 5 minutes so that the raw masala goes inside the chicken. The flavor of the chicken becomes more better. So we have to cook under medium flame for 5 minutes until the chickens are little fried off. So I'm frying the chicken from last 5 minutes at a low flame. So my chicken are smelling really good. The masalas are coated very well. Now it's the time to add my tomato and onion paste, which I have grinded. You can see. You can add to the chicken. We'll mix it well. The masala, onion and tomato masalas are mixed well. Time to add some spices. So some salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of jeera powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder and 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. You can add everything together. Mix well. Fry for at least 1 minute of time. It's 1 minute I'm frying. I've made cashew paste with 15 of cashews soaked in warm water, and I made a puree. You can add to the chicken. Fry for 1 minute. Once the cream is mixed, we'll add a bowl of water. You can see. Mix it. Once you see the gravy boiling, time to cover the chicken. Reduce the flame. We'll cook the chicken for 25 minutes to 30 minutes. We'll come back. So it's been 30 minutes now. Wow, you can see the oil getting separated. It means that the masala is cooked, and so the chicken is. You can stir. It's almost done. So 90% of the cooking has been done. take some fresh cream, half bowl, you can add to the chicken. Stir it. Time to add some garam masala, half tablespoon. Mix well. Cook another for 1 minute. So it's been 1 minute. The cream has been added, mixed well. It's almost done. The final ingredient comes for the recipe are eggs. Eggs are optional, but this is the twist in my recipe. So you add 3 eggs. I've taken 3 whole eggs. You add to the chicken. Slowly mix the egg well in the chicken. And see how the gravy has become thickened now. It's looking very beautiful. So this Mughlai recipe you can serve with rice, you can serve with naan, you can serve with plain roti or kulcha, however you like it. It's almost done. We'll cook for 1 minute and it's ready to be served. Hope you like my recipe. Follow my YouTube channel YOLO Tape for more recipes. Thank you so much. Stay safe.